See, industry readiness, as I told you, we have, I think, largest number of MIUs in the IP family. So we have industry aligned trainings. We have faculty development programs by the industry people. We have students training program, regular training program, short-term, long-term courses by the industry people, short-term and long-term courses by the academia for readiness, okay? And then there are minor specializations not being offered through ANKT by the universities. So we have short to long-term that. And then what you do is, there is a whole, you as an individual, okay? Your evolution as an individual, your evolution as a leader. So we have personality development programs. We prepare well for your interviews, your group discussions. But more important than, we have spiritual and ontological workshops on varied topics like freedom, leadership, confidence, power and excellence. Okay.